Hey y'all, I have an announcement. Welcome to the Artsy announcement, the big Artsy announcement. Are y'all ready? I'm gonna be selling rugs like this one that I made myself, all hand tufted, all hand carved, backed with a non-slip backing, and I even hand stamped my own little tags, my own little AMW tags. I don't even know my own name. Lay your eyeballs on the quality, the level of cute, the adorable. And that's just this one, okay? So I've got this celestial one. I've also got this spider one, strawberry spider. I've also got a couple of soot sprite rugs with color changing stars. Y'all remember when we tufted these for a video? They were supposed to be pillows, but now they're rugs. I've also got this one, which is kind of like a slime one. And last but not least, for rugs, the biggest one of them all, which is this one. It is a huge fireball, which is inspired by this clip.
Don't let the dragon drag on, man.
From Adventure Time. Okay, those are all the rugs that I have. One more thing. I'm gonna take my hair down for this. That's really something. I have four of these beanies. Look at me modeling it perfectly. I have four of these beanies. They all have the same jack-o'-lantern embroidery on it. I drew this design up myself, put it on my sewing machine, and had it embroider on these patches, and then I sewed the patch to the hat. So we've got this color, which is like a tan color, black, and then tan thread. Then we've also got this white one with black and white thread. My second favorite, which is black with red and black thread. And then my personal favorite, bright neon green, black, bright neon green thread. This one's so cool. What are my lights doing? I don't know. Did I just turn around and they're fine? Hello? Oh my god, they're on voice. So we've got those 6 rugs, 4 beanies. They're going live today around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So look up whatever time that is for you if you're interested. I'm beyond nervous. I haven't sold art in a very long time. Just as a quick little disclaimer about the prices, because I do want to be, I guess, open about that. Not that it's like a secret hush-hush thing. Rugs take a lot of material and time, tools. So the rugs are between like 200 and like 5 something for that like bigger one, but most are between 200 and like 400. I'm sorry if that is not possible for anybody. It's not. Believe me, I am not trying to rob you. It's just what it is. I promise. I genuinely pinky promise you that I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying anything with you. So these are my art things that I that I am hoping to sell. Because like I've been saying lately, I'm pivoting into selling my art. I want to get into commissions as well soon. As far as tufting has taken my heart. So now on to maybe some shipping details. So they are going to come rolled up like I've been having them. And they're going to be rolled up in a box like you saw at the beginning, like a long boxes like this. And they're also going to be wrapped in special hand-stamped paper that I stamped myself. I carved all of these stamps myself. Also, these rugs are for decorative purposes only. I absolutely do not recommend putting any of these rugs in a like high traffic area where you're going to be. They're not for scuffing your boots on, and you know, you're looking for a rug to put in a high traffic area where you're walking a lot over it. Maybe these aren't the right fit. Obviously you can walk on it. It's a rug, but I just mean high traffic areas, like walking over it a lot of people, anything like that. And make sure you read all the descriptions of all of them and like check out how big they are and make sure they work for your space. And like I said, this is going to go up on my Fourth Wall website. I've put in the weight of all of them, and then Fourth Wall calculates the shipping based on where you are and where I am like shipping it from. I wish I could test that before going live, but I cannot. And if there are any issues, like once you get it, there's an issue with it, or any issues at all, you can email me right here. Please do not hesitate. If there's an issue, please reach out to me. You're also going to get a handwritten note from me, because that's what I want to do. I'm so genuinely, my heart is so excited for this. Everything is going to be released on my Fourth Wall website, which is where I also have some of my merch. They have this section where you can like add things that you have to ship out. So I think we're going to try there first. See how it goes, you know, trial and error, see how it goes over on the Fourth Wall website. So that is where you will find everything that I've just shown you later today, 3 p.m. Eastern. And just because I'm nervous, I feel like I need to say, keep in mind that I'm just one person. I do have Sean that helps me, but I am just one person. And I'm doing the absolute very best that I can to give you the absolute very best experience possible. Because I genuinely care about you and your experience with getting something from me. I do not take that lightly, like, at all. I appreciate you. I don't even have the words. Truly, I love you. I appreciate you so much. If you grab something from this art drop, know that you directly are the reason that I get to keep making art, and I get to be here, and I get to do what I've always wanted to do. So anyway, you are funding my dreams, really. And if you do get something, could you please tag me on Instagram or like literally any social media, like the Threads app. It is so fun over there. I'm hot, okay, and I'm pre-filming this. I appreciate y'all so much, and I really just want this to be something really cool and a way for me to connect with you guys, kind of give you guys possibly a cool experience of like opening this and the paper and this. I don't know. I'm just trying to create this cool thing. So I hope you guys are excited because I'm very excited and I'm also very nervous. Okay, I'll leave links down in the description. I hope to see you there. Okay, bye.